Are you trying to ride it? Here, let's get it. Go ahead, ride the motorcycle. Can you get on top of it? Oh my gosh! Woody, it's a balloon. It's not meant to be ridden. Here we've got the festivities. Bodhi's birthday. Up, and the balloon is up. Yay! Waiting for guests. You want to say please? Okay, you got it. Balloon for Bodhi. Say thank you. Hug it. Give hugs. Give kiss. Give motorcycle kiss. Oh, get it! You got it! Happy second birthday, Bodhi. I love you.